Hey everybody, Mr. Grimma here, and today we're going to be talking about the underhand toss. Now, when we're doing the underhand toss, just a couple things here that we need to know before we get into the toss. Number one, we use the underhand toss when we're trying to move an object a short distance. If it was a long distance, we would use the overhand throw. Now, for the underhand toss is used in just about every sport that you could think of. From basketball to baseball, even volleyball uses some form of underhand tossing. So it is a very important skill. We also use it in everyday life, whether I'm tossing someone my car keys, I'm trying to give someone my cell phone, I'm tossing a canned good into the shopping cart at the grocery store. Okay, you're gonna use the underhand toss a lot throughout your life. So it's a very important skill, and we're gonna start at the very beginning of how to do it properly. Now, the underhand toss has a couple very simple steps that we need to follow. The first one is going to be looking at your target. So right now, I'm just gonna face my target. Number two, and this is the one that gets my kindergartens and first graders a little confused, is opposite foot goes in front. So I'm gonna put my opposite foot in front. For me, it's gonna be my left foot because I'm right-handed. Okay, so if I held out my hand, got my right hand out in front, opposite would be my left. If I was left-handed, I would hold out my left hand, then I would put my right foot out in front. Now, Mr. Grimma is dominant with my right hand, so my right hand goes out, left foot comes in front. Now, from here, facing the target, opposite foot in front, we're gonna follow the very simple tick, tock, toss. So I aim, I go tick, and that's when I'm bringing the ball back. Tock, I'm bringing it forward. Toss, I let it go right in front of me. Okay, so here we go again. Opposite foot in front. Aim, tick, bring it straight back, tock, toss. Okay, now when you're doing this at home, if you notice that your son or your daughter is swinging their arm crooked, okay, that means the ball's gonna go in that direction. So you wanna make sure that when they're bringing their arm back, bring it back nice, straight, and slow. Over the years, I've noticed, especially with my kindergarten, they like to bring their arm back really fast and try to toss the ball really hard, even if they're doing it a short distance. So really pay attention to your son, to your daughter. Make sure they're bringing their arm back nice and slow and nice and straight. Last tip before we go, it's called chest is best. And what that means is when you're tossing, face your target, opposite foot in front. I'm aiming. I'm gonna let go of the ball when it's in front of my chest. So chest is best. Here, tick, tock, toss. Okay, my older students, first graders, second graders, when you get into your tossing games, you wanna make sure that we're using our weight when we toss. So we're just gonna add one more thing to what we've already learned. Start off the same way, opposite foot in front, facing your target. We're just gonna go tick, rock, tock, toss. Again, opposite foot in front, aim, and we're gonna add in the rock. So we're gonna take the weight from our front foot, tick, rock the weight back to your back foot, tock, toss. So tick, rock, tock, toss. So this way we're using our weight. All right, until next time, this is Mr. Grimma. I will see you later.